afternoon. My name is Sergeant Sasser. I'm in the Brunswick County Sheriff's Office.
Okay, how are you?
Doing well. Just need to see your driver's license and your vehicle registration.
Okay,
Yeah, the reason I'm stopping you, I clocked you at 70. The speed limit here is 55.
There's no speed limit sign. I just got out of the gas station. I didn't see a speed limit sign for the gas station.
Okay. All right, I appreciate it. Yeah, your vehicle,
It's a rental car.
It's a rental, just should have a rental agreement.
I'm gonna reach in here and get.
That's fine.
Yeah, I saw no.
Okay. Thank you. And you still live in South Carolina?
Yeah, I live in South Carolina. I was in Norfolk, Virginia at a PX tennis tournament, and I'm on the way back to Screenville.
Okay. All right. I'll tell you what. Just hold tight for a quick moment, and I'll be right back. Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
All right. All right, ma'am. What I have here for you, it is a traffic summons for Brunswick County General
District. Traffic summons?
Yes, for Brunswick County General District Traffic Court. Your court date is going to be June the 6th at 10:30 for the 70 and a 55-mile-per-hour zone.
Where's your sign? Where is the sign that says it's 55 miles an hour?
In numerous places.
Numerous places where? I mean, between the gas station I just came from, right here.
I mean, numerous places back that way. You're more than welcome to go back there and look at them. I mean, take pictures of them, whatever you want to do.
So you didn't give me a warning. You gave me an actual ticket?
Yeah, no warnings today, ma'am. So your court date is going to be June the 6th at 10:30 for the speeding of 70 and a 55. You have the option to prepay this. I'm going to give you a phone number plus a website that has our courthouse information. If you contact our courts, they will tell you what the fine is, answer any one of your questions, and if you decide to prepay it, then you do not have to come to court. But if you want to prepay it, if you don't want to prepay it, then you have to come to court on June the 6th at 10:30.
I'll hire an attorney.
Need you to sign right here?
I'm not going to sign that ticket.
Ma'am.
I agree.
Okay.
But I don't have to sign it.
So, ma'am.
But I appreciate it.
Hold on. All right. So, what you're signing here is a promise to either come to court or a promise to prepay. It's not an admission of guilt. It's only a promise to me that you're going to get it taken care of by either coming to court or prepaying it. If you refuse to sign the summons at this point, I'm going to have to get you outside of the police car, outside of this car. I'm going to place you under arrest and take you in front of a magistrate. I will get your vehicle towed and go from there. So, yes, ma'am, you do not have a choice. You have.
On the phone.
I don't care about that. You do not have a. I don't care who's on the phone. I'm talking to you right now. You do not have a choice but to sign the summons. So once again, you're signing right there. So thank you. I knew you were going to sign it. Thank you very much. All right. Appreciate it very much. And you have a very safe day. Okay? Thank you.